What's up, world? If you knew better, you do better. You know better, you do better. You stack more cheddar. You dig? This is a first look at the YZY 700 MNVN, which allegedly stands for minivan. This product retails at $220 US. I copped these off the Adidas Confirmed app back in December. I just wanted to finally get this on camera since I have not yet really worn them outside. Give you guys a chance to bask in what is known as the YZY 700 shoe. So this is the metal or metallic version. I'm gonna jump right into it. Try to keep this review short, sweet. Really more of an unboxing, I should say. Give you guys an idea of what comes in the box, what comes in the packaging, what to expect, a little bit of the details in the product. So you can see the shoe, side-by-side comparison. What I do like about these is this lace system. It's that single pull tab. There is nothing to lace. I don't even know if you can undo these lacings or take them off and replace them. I guess you'd have to snip them. But overall, the 700 has been one of my favorite shoes over the years. As you can see in this insole, there is, let's see if you can see it. There is that YZY globe, which I understand means some sort of sustainable product, or made with sustainable materials or recycled materials. Let me see if I can get this insole out. Okay, this insole does not come out. It looks like it is. Oh wait, maybe it does. It does. It's well designed. It's a very thin, fairly cheap insole. A little bit of a background and history on myself. I have been a small-time vendor of the UA models, of the unauthorized models, and this is probably my second or third pair of authentic models. And I must say that, you know, over the years of getting the unauthorized models, I would find that these insoles were just as cheap or just as thin, and I always wanted to see what the real shoe looks like, so I started getting a few real pairs, and suffice it to say, the real pairs are not that much different. I do believe that you can get just as high quality on unauthorized pairs as you can get with the authentic pairs. However, you will spend almost close to market value. So if this is a $220 shoe and you wanted a shoe that is just as real as this shoe, you may end up spending $100. You may even end up spending $200 in that price range to get a unauthorized replica. But a lot of these shoes are mass produced, so they know what they're doing. So it's not difficult to copy them. And it's also not difficult to change one or two simple design aesthetics so that they can avoid copyright or some sort of design infringement and legal issues. But there you have it. This is the YZY 700 minivan.